What if the exercises you think are building your body are actually destroying it? You hit the gym with dedication, but some of the most popular movements are a fast track to chronic pain and injury. It's time to stop guessing and start training with intelligence. Today, we're exposing the 6 exercises that modern science begs you to stop doing right now, before it's too late. Exercise number 1. The classic crunch. For decades, it was the go-to for six-pack abs. But we now know that repeatedly flexing your spine this way puts immense pressure on your discs. Think of it like bending a credit card back and forth. Eventually, it's going to break. There are far safer ways to build a strong core without sacrificing your spinal health for aesthetics. Exercise number 2. The upright row. This supposed shoulder builder forces your shoulder into a dangerous internal rotation, leading to what's known as shoulder impingement. It's that sharp, pinching feeling you might get at the top of the movement. That's not the burn of a good workout. It's your body's warning signal. Are you listening? Exercise number 3. Behind the neck pulldowns. Here's a relic that needs to stay in the past. The behind the neck lat pull down. Pulling a heavy bar behind your head puts your delicate shoulder joint in an extremely vulnerable position, requiring a range of motion most people just don't have. It creates massive strain on your rotator cuff. The front pull down is just as effective and infinitely safer. The choice is obvious. Exercise number 4. The ego-driven leg press. Now let's talk about the leg press. The machine itself isn't bad, but the ego-driven way it's often used is. Piling on too much weight and letting your lower back round off the pad places terrifying shearing force on your lumbar spine. Remember, the goal is building your legs, not herniating a disc to lift a number that doesn't matter. Exercise number 5. The Smith machine squat. Mistake number 5. Relying on the Smith machine for squats. It seems safer with its fixed track, but that's the problem. Your body doesn't move in a straight line. This machine locks you into an unnatural path, deactivates key stabilizer muscles, and puts unhealthy stress on your knees and back. Ditch the machine and learn to squat with your own body weight first. Exercise number 6. The kipping pull-up. Finally, the controversial kipping pull-up. This explosive swinging movement uses momentum, not strength, to get your chin over the bar. While it looks impressive to some, it generates immense uncontrolled force on the shoulder joint. For the average person, the risk of a serious long-term shoulder injury far outweighs the benefit of a few sloppy reps. Cutting these exercises isn't about doing less. It's about protecting your long-term health. It's about training with intelligence, not just ego. True fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. And just as these exercises are deceptively harmful, so are many common daily habits. To continue leveling up your health knowledge, click the screen now to watch our video on the 5 unhealthy habits you think are normal. If you want a daily dose of this kind of empowering knowledge, make sure you're subscribed with all notifications turned on. And to join our community of forward thinkers, comment "Training Smarter" down below. We read every single one.